In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple OTT in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, we're going to start by opening the indicator menu. Look toward the top of your screen for the indicators button. It's usually right above the chart, near where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators to bring up the indicator panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator you want without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search box so it's active, and then type in Multiple OTT. Take a second to make sure you spell it correctly, so TradingView can find the right script for you. As you type, TradingView will start showing results below the search bar. You're looking for the Multiple OTT script that matches the one you want to use. Once you see it appear in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, Multiple OTT will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see the OTT indicator plotted directly on your price chart. Depending on how it's built, you might see multiple lines or overlays that help you read trend direction or potential entries and exits. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust inputs like length, smoothing, or colors so it fits your personal trading style and is easy to read. If you want to stack multiple instances, you can repeat the same process. Open the indicators menu, use the search box, type multiple OTT again, and add another copy. Each one can be customized with different settings, which is especially helpful if you want to track different timeframes or sensitivity levels on the same chart. To get the most out of this setup, TradingView Pro is highly recommended. The Pro plan gives you more indicators per chart, fewer limitations, and a smoother overall experience, especially if you like to work with multiple OTT layers at the same time. I've left my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description below. If you decide to upgrade using that link, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep making tutorials like this. That's all you need to do to add multiple OTT in TradingView Pro and start integrating it into your trading workflow.